All right. Quickly, how does Splunk manage data privacy with the AI assistant? What data is shared? How's it used?
Yeah. So first of all, the assistant doesn't actually see the data in your environment. That's kind of a big question. Obviously, data privacy is important, and safety and security of the data. So the assistant doesn't see your data. One of the misnomers, hopefully y'all got it from the demo, but one of the misnomers is, well, is the assistant actually going to run the search? And if so, is it going to honor, role-based access controls and things like that? The assistant in and of itself does not run the SPL. It is an SPL generator on which a user can then take that search and then choose to run it. And when they run it, all RBAC, all workload management, all that stuff is going to be honored. Kind of some other elements that we know customers care about is, what are you doing with my data, and or what data are you kind of collecting, and can I opt in or out, and what are you doing with it? So we do collect what you type in the prompt and the corresponding response. That is something you can choose to opt out of. And so we are actually collecting that information specifically for review, for validation, for accuracy, for improvements to the model, that type of a thing. And then another, kind of question we get a lot is, are you using like OpenAI or some third-party service? And all of the inferencing that we do is done within kind of the four walls of Splunk. It's occurring in Splunk Cloud Services, but that is a wholly owned and managed Splunk world and environment. We're not calling out to third-party APIs like Google, Azure, or OpenAI to perform that inference.
Want to sign up for a future community office hours? From community.splunk.com, select events, then Office Hours Ask the Experts to register for a session across platform, security, or observability. Hope to see you in the next one.